Video, I'm going to show you how to create a small model view controller web application using ASP Core MVC, which is the latest version after ASP MVC 5, ASP Core. It's slightly different, so let's get to it. First, I'm going to go to File, I'm going to create a new project. And in this new project, this is going to be a web project, and it's going to be an ASP.NET Core web application. I'm going to call it something else, so I will call it BMI calculator, because that's what it's going to be. It's going to be a BMI calculator. I'll create a directory for solution and create a new Git repository. That's fine. We're not going to go into these details at this point. So now I pick, I want a web application model view controller. This is what I want. It's a project template for creating an ASP.NET Core application with MVC. Okay, so I'm going to go for it. Click OK. So very quickly, a little note on model view controller is that in C#, in ASP, what happens is that you have a view, which is the C# and HTML files. It's the CSHTML files. So for example, you have a page.cshtml. You'll have a controller, which is a C# class, for example, and the C# class usually, for the purpose of this video, will have a method called aPage that will return a view. That will be immediately this app view controller. If it has a method called aPage, once it returns, it will display apage.cshtml. The model contains all of your data getters, setters, and other data methods. And there's going to be a routing happening that we're not going to control in this video, such that if you type the URL http, whatever your server is, /app/apage, the system's going to look for an app controller class right here. And then from the app controller class, it's going to try to execute the method aPage here. With some parameters, we're going to see how that works. Now, we have our ASP Core application. Now, Microsoft by default gives us a full-blown application that we're going to have to change a bit. But let's see what it looks like. So I'm just going to start it. So it's an app that has this web page with a title, a home section, which takes me here, an about section that will take me here, an about section, and a contact section that will take me here. It's a very It's a very bare bones application. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to proceed to modify this app.